Hello everyone, welcome to Java Sessions. So in this tutorial video we will be diving a little bit deeper into Java loops, which is a for loop and a while loop, which are the most mainly used loops in Java. So I'm pretty sure by now you guys are familiar with the syntax behind the while loop. If I remember correctly, in quick sorting algorithm video there was a while loop there, so you guys are familiar with the syntax. And also in Java if else statement video part 1 and part 2, both of those videos had a for loop in them, so you should also check both of them. They were awesome videos, by the way. Okay, but in this video I'll just not be showing you guys syntax of behind a for loop and a while loop. The algorithm we're going to work will be mainly based on a for loop and a while loop, so it's very important that you focus on this one if you want to have a deeper understanding of Java loops. Okay, enough for the intro. Let's get to coding. First let's read the question. Oh, and also if you're new here, please do subscribe, leave a like, and if you have any questions about what's happening in the video, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Okay, enough talking, let's get started. So this is the series you're going to create based on this equation over here. We'll be given we'll let the user to insert three entries, which are integers a, b, and n. And actually the user will in total will insert 4 entries, which will also have q, which is the number of q's. Then the number of times will be inserting a, b, and n. Okay, now let's get on the code. Oh, and I'm just going through this paper, so I give you guys a chance in case you want to try out this question on your own and then continue the video after trying it. Do feel free to do that. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, let's ask the user to insert q first. What's going on here? Please. And please insert. Yes. Q. Let's see that next int. Why do we still have a horn here? Okay, let me just add suppress resource, because it wants us to close the scanner, which I don't see the use of since we are not in file handling. So let me just suppress it there. Okay, and then the next step to do is okay, let's create this this variable here. You'll see where I'll use it. It has nothing to do with the loop, but then it has something to do with making our program more readable and better for the user to understand. So let me just leave it there. And then I will have a while loop inside a for loop, which personally I feel like it's the same as having a for loop inside a for loop. I feel like the only difference between a while loop and a for loop is the syntax and the way of execution. Like in a while loop, if you want to increment a variable, you increment it within it gives you the option to increment it while declaring a for loop. But then in a while loop, when you want to increment a variable, you increment it inside that loop. But it's very important to increment a variable when you're doing a loop, whether it's a for loop or a while loop. Either way, if you don't do that, then there are high chances that your algorithm will crash. Like the loop won't, your code won't exit the loop until a certain condition is met, and then a certain condition is only met if something is changing, hence incrementing some type of variable. Okay, let's write the code for loop for int I starting from 0, I is less than q, I plus plus, we are incrementing here. Okay, what are these buckets? What's going on here? Oh, okay, now let's finish it there. I didn't declare, I just said it. Okay, and now we are, let's say, system dot out report, please enter anything. Let's just say entries for the number. This is where I use S, number 1, Q is right perfection. And now we have to enter A, B, and N. So we'll just, I won't be using print line, I'll just be using print. So I want it to be in the same row. Please enter A, int A is equals to C, the next int. Perfection. Okay, now we need B and N. B and N. Perfection. And okay, I think this is a step where we're going to need another loop. No, wait, first let's get the answer. Let's create a variable that will represent the answer, and then let's initialize it to 0, and then we're going to create a while loop. A while loop, I will have the variable for the while loop outside the loop. Let's call it K. K starts at 0. Yeah, I should start at 0, because if you look at the algorithm here, K, we're going to use it saying 2 to the power K and then 2 to the power 1, blah blah blah. That means it's the value that will be incrementing in the algorithm, so it should be the value that will start at 0. So okay, let's do that. And now time for the while loop. We know it's obviously K is less than N. If you don't understand what's going on here, please do leave the question in the comment. I'll be more than happy to answer that. So okay, yeah, where was I just created a while loop. Okay, yeah, now we are doing the calculations. What they're saying here is that is A plus 2 to the power 0 times B. Okay, that's simple enough. We will have to call a math class in order to get power. Getting a power in Java is not as complex as it seems. It's just basically writing one word, actually one line of code, not just one word. So there's no such thing as word here. Answer is equals to A plus math dot power is 2 to the power K. Then wait, where did I declare answer again? I did declare answer outside. That's wrong with me. And then multiply this with P. Okay, what's going on? I need to cast this. Okay, perfection. Let me see. We keep on adding this thing, so let's say plus equals to, not just equals to, and then now we're just displaying. This was simple enough. You know what, to make it even more readable to the user, I'll need to specify the answers here. I'll say the number here. Let me say the number 1 series. Okay, perfection. The number 1 series. Let me make it print, not print line. Print. Okay, and now we're just displaying that series. print answer plus. Okay, like I said, if you have any questions about what's going on here, please do ask. I mean, I think we are no, we're not done. We have to increment k. Remember, it's going to crash the code if I didn't increment k. The loop is never going to exceed. And then next step is keeping a line. System.out.print line. Okay, and then increment s. Okay, I think we might be done. I do not know. Let's just do the code. We're going to use for the first try, we're going to use the entries that they gave us there to assert the correctness or assertion. We're going to do this other concept in Java called assertion, but then I think we'll do it hand to hand with exception handling, because it's very important to even show you guys how those two things are not the same, although they might look, but then they're not really the same. So when we get into file handling, we'll definitely, in the next 2 or 3 videos after file handling, we'll definitely be getting in a session. Let me get back here. First entry was 0, the second 10, and then okay, the number 1 was series 2, 6, 14, blah 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 till 2046, 2, 6, 14, blah blah till 2046. Perfection. Okay, now let's enter the second entry, which was 535. I assume it was 535. 535, which will give me 8. Oh no, something is wrong here. Why is it 890 not 814? It's supposed to be 814.26. What did I do wrong here? It is a plus. Answer is a plus equals 2, so I keep on incrementing it. That's exactly what they said we should do here. Oh no. A just happens one time here, so I can't just be having a plus 2 0 and then I have a plus 2 to the power 0. So I have to remove a from the first equation in order to get a here. So a should just be evaluated once. So I will need to do this. Answer minus equals to a. Perfection. This should work. Fingers crossed this should work. Please work. Okay, a. Let me start with that one first. 3, 5. The number 1 series is 5. It's 8, 14, 26, 50, 98. Perfection. I think that's it. Is it? Yeah, 5, 14, 26, 50, 98. That is the first series. And then let's get to 0, 2, 10. Should also. This is great. Okay, I think I might be done. Like I said, this video wasn't really going to be that long. I mean, loops are really very, very simple. Once you get a hang of them, you can do almost 1,000 examples based on loops and how to really use them. So this video wasn't really about showing you guys the syntax behind the loop. I've been doing that in almost all my videos, starting from how to create a Java project in Eclipse. It is really about how to solve an algorithm based on for or while loops. I was just giving you a little bit deep understanding in for loops and while loops. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you have a question, please do leave it in the comment sections. I will be happy to address any confusion that you encountered in this video. And stay well. Also, do subscribe, leave a like, and share this video to your friends. Everyone should learn coding, you know. Thank you for watching. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for more amazing Java content.